Science Academy students and staff. Hi, I am Pooja, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2015. The weather in the village of Schaumburg is currently 36 degrees. We are expecting a high of 50 and a low of 31, with clouds and wind. Now please stand up and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Everett, Suhi, Bilal, Promo. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks beat the Predators in a dramatic triple overtime win with an ending score of 3-2. The Cubs beat the Pirates 9-8. The Indians beat the White Sox 6-2. Club information for today. Mr. Prusko's first grade reading club will not meet today. PBIS ambassadors will meet at 11:45 in room 208. Second grade poetry club is meeting today at 11:20 in room 120. First and second grade battle of the books will meet in the library during lunch. Tomorrow is Pizza Thursday. Come to the front hallway at lunch tomorrow to buy a slice of pizza for $2. Here is a new Cool Tool video created by our PBIS ambassadors.
Whoa, I just broke my pencil. Hey, Nitty, could I borrow one? Sure, here. Thanks. Thank you for letting me borrow your pencil.
It's no problem.
Now I want to introduce Noor to talk about classroom goals.
Hi, my name is Noor. I am from Mrs. Drew's class. We reached our goal of 30 green tickets by showing good manners.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that a hippopotamus is a very fast runner? A hippo can run up to 14 miles per hour on land, and they can even run up to 8 miles per hour at the bottom of a lake where they can stay underwater for about 6 minutes. That's all for today. Today's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by the kindergartners in room 101. Have a Muffin Man Wednesday.